In this video I will show you how to access your Google Team Drive. You'll start by going to Chrome, and there are two ways you can access your Google Drive, just through Google, and then in your applications in the top right, your Google Drive is located here. You also have the option to go through Launchpad. Once you're signed into the Launchpad, Google Drive will be one of your apps located in your Launchpad. If someone has added you to a Team Drive, you'll see Team Drives located below your My Drive. You'll also get a email notification when someone has added you to a Team Drive. So if I click on the Team Drive, it's going to display any drives that I am a member of. And if I just click to open up the drive, I'll be able to access any documents that are shared for the whole team. Alright, this has just been a quick video on how to access your Google Team Drive.